Hello students, let us learn about the parallel grouping of cells. Now in parallel grouping, let n identical cells of each EMF E and internal resistance R are connected in parallel to an external resistance R. Now here in this circuit, the EMF of each of these cells is E and internal resistance is R. In parallel combination grouping, potential difference across each cell is E. Now, the potential difference from A to B is E. Positive electrodes of all the cells are connected to one common point A. Now the positive electrode of first cell is connected to A, second cell is also connected to A, and all the N cells are connected to point A, common point A. And similarly, and negative electrodes to other common point B. Negative electrode of first, second and nth cell all are connected to common point B. So the EMF between A and B is always E. Now let us calculate the current in the circuit. For that, the equivalent potential difference equivalent EMF or potential difference is now E only, because all cells are connected between two common points. Now for there are let M rows. Now these are let M rows. Therefore the equivalent internal resistance now notice that these internal resistances are in parallel combination. Therefore we will apply the rule of parallel combination, that is the reciprocal of equivalent resistance is 1 upon R, sum of the reciprocals of individual internal resistance of individual cells up to M terms, because there are M rows. Therefore this comes out to be M upon R. Now therefore R equivalent will be, now we will reciprocate it, so it will be R upon M. Now notice that when there are M rows and internal resistance of each cell is R, then the equivalent resultant resistance, internal resistance is the internal resistance of one cell divided by number of rows. Therefore the total resistance in the circuit, total resistance in circuit is, now the external resistance is R, total equivalent resistance is R upon M, R upon M plus capital R. Therefore the current in the circuit, is net EMF, equivalent EMF E upon total resistance R upon M, small r upon M upon plus capital R. So this is the result. Now let us take LCM small m, so it will be converted into E upon ME. Now this M will go in the numerator upon small r plus M capital R. So this will be the current. Now let us discuss the two cases. Case 1, when R is external resistance is very less compared to R upon M, the equivalent of internal resistance or R. Therefore, we can drop this term. So we have, therefore current in the circuit will is ME upon small r, that is I is equal to M times the current given by one cell, E upon R. So the parallel combination should be used, grouping should be used when external resistance is very less compared to the internal resistance. Then we get the current M times means number of rows multiplied by the current given by one cell. Now let us discuss case 2. When the external resistance is large than R upon M, then now we will drop small r, because small r is very less. Therefore, the current in the circuit is ME upon MR. So M cancels out, and this is nothing but current given by one cell. So either we use one cell or two cell or M cells, the current is same. So we are not going to benefit when external resistance is quite large than the internal resistance. So we shall not use this combination in parallel.